So the topic today is programming and soft skills. I'll take up the theme as becoming industry ready through your programming skills. System design should accommodate a lot of features which are challenging to program. So we have to understand the bigger system, like how is the sensors working, what type of data are they sending, and how am I going to integrate it into my programs. So that is where everything starts. So above all, learning the requirements and then complying to it is very, very important. We write programs to solve someone else's problem. So programming forms a very important step in solving the problem. So getting a bigger picture of the problem and then trying to understand the logic is very, very important. We write a code, a program, which is to be consumed by another code. Today, we don't even have a perspective that my code is going to be used by someone, but I am talking about a place where I should think about a code or a program which is written by me with the intent that it would be consumed by some other code. MLOC is consumed by your code. You have to write code in a layered architecture with some code being consumed by some other code. I would like to emphasize again that start practicing working in a team environment and then see that one code written by somebody is being consumed by somebody else. So we then get into a better picture of how a component based development happens. Coming back, last but not the least is the soft skills. So I told, right, teamwork is essential and we are going to work on somebody else's code. I would say the fundamental thing which we need to do about soft skills is on communication. It's all about thinking in simple terms on what we need to communicate, what not to communicate, when and how. If you look at major problems happening only because of communications. So I would say while learning how to program, when you work as a team, you need to start emphasizing a lot on communications. So I would always say soft skills and your technical skills go hand in hand. When somebody has to make a presentation for a soft skill sessions, they do it very well. When you ask them to write an email in a soft skill sessions, they do it very well. Next day go for a technical session where a problem statement has been posted by a customer for which they have to write an email asking more details. So whatever you learned in soft skills has to be put into use here. Soft skills cannot go separate and technical skills cannot go separate. So these are some of the points I thought I would like to share with you based on my industrial as well as institute experience on how to become an industry ready programmer.